HellermannTyton's Cradle and saddle mounts provide smarter cable management for industrial automation and machinery, helping installers cleanly route, secure, and protect wiring in high-demand environments. Both types are compact and durable mounts designed for clean, organized cable routing. They feature multiple mounting options plus easy feed cable tie slots and cut zone safety features that simplify installation and protect cables during maintenance. Cradle mounts enable wires to be laid in place during setup before being secured with cable ties. This allows for easy staging, repositioning, and adjustments before final bundling. They're ideal for complex or high-density systems. Saddle mounts are built for strength, providing stable support for heavier cable bundles with single or dual separated routings. They accommodate heavy-duty cable ties up to 8.3 millimeters wide, making them ideal for high vibration and demanding industrial applications.